Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about sleeping masks. Now, this one here is very unique. It has placements in for your eyes. It is designed for that side sleeper, and that is me. It is nice wide band, and it's adjustable. So then you can adjust it to fit your needs. And when you put this on, light comes in around this area and it's not pressed up against your eyes. It is designed for side sleeper so it doesn't push up and uh, cause it to let light in. It is very comfortable, and I think you would get a great night's sleep. I'm not really one that likes to wear masks, but I feel very comfortable wearing this one. It isn't pressed up against my eyes, and gives me a good night's sleep. And I think it's a great little mask for its value. And that is just my honest opinion.